Then breakfast to dinner powered by Saffola Masala Oats and just guess कि आज हमारे शो में कौन आने वाला है. Guessed? You're absolutely right. We're talking about प्रियंका चोपड़ा. आज का पूरा दिन with प्रियंका चोपड़ा जो बस अब कुछ ही देर में आने वाली हैं and we're going to start our breakfast to dinner.
My entire day with you. मैं क्या क्या करूँगी, तुमसे क्या क्या करवाएगी.
मैं बहुत कुछ करने वाली हूँ. एक तो मैं I want to do a photo shoot like you've done with Bryan Adams.
So you'll take my pictures?
No, you're going to take my pictures.
I will take your pictures. I'm actually a decent photographer. I'm not that bad.
है ना?
I'm not that bad. मैं शायद अच्छे photos ले ही लूँ तेरी गलती से.
गलती से. And we have to go for one Christmas party which I've organized for you. That we'll do. Global ambassador for Guess is our PC. And I think what you're wearing is very cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm all guess anyway. Camouflage pants with a ripped T-shirt, which is my favorite thing.
Yeah, this I don't understand. Why you like things
I
with
like rips. I like holes. Perfection with the बोरियत होती है.
or
Imperfections are fun.
You know what I'm trying to see? I'm trying to see that you have a belly button,
Yeah,
no?
I'm not gonna
A pierced
Fill
belly
up my
button.
shirt and show it to
I
you.
was hoping that you see.
I
No, I'm trying to see through the holes.
No, the holes on the two sides.
Cleverly,
Please,
cleverly.
don't ever wear a t-shirt with a hole in the center which shows your belly button. Tacky. And like what it says, better love than lost.
And I'm going to ask this to PC. कितनी बार जिंदगी में you've loved and you've lost.
ये philosophy है दीदी, that it's better to have loved
Yeah, I know.
than lost, and I believe in that. I think that if you are fortunate enough to find love which makes you go crazy, you should fight for it and hold on to it. And I do believe in that kind of wish.
Ring?
No.
It's huge.
Yeah. My dad got it for me about
Oh, it's beautiful.
4 years ago, for my birthday. Yeah, it's lovely.
It's really pretty. So is this the first ring that you held? I've never seen you wearing so many.
આજકાલ I'm not shooting. I just finished shooting for Gunde, so I can wear my jewelry. That's why I'm wearing it.
I know कि you hate shopping. मतलब दुनिया की पहली लड़की है. She was like, "Garima, please don't take me shopping. I hate shopping." And I can't believe a girl is saying that to me.
I hate shopping. I think it's such a tedious process. मुझे book store ले जाओ. मैं पूरा दिन spend कर लूँगी वहाँ पे. You can take me to, a gadget store, like where I can buy like gadgets and all. I'll be very happy. Shoes, yes. The only feminine thing I like
अच्छा,
mainly is shoes.
और जूते में आपने ये spikes भी लगा के.
Quite Louboutins है.
Oh my god.
And spikes.
Wow. So basically, I'm going to request you to shop for me. If you were to put together a look for me, आप क्या लेते मेरे गेस्ट रूम में?
See, I always start my looks with shoes.
हाँ,
Shoes
okay.
के अनुसार मैं कपड़े पहनती हूँ.
Okay.
So उल्टा शुरू होता है मेरा.
ठीक है.
Look at them. How pretty are these? Are they cool?
Yeah, but you live in them.
I live in high heels.
In high
I
heels.
love high heels. Just for you to be comfortable. Please do it. Because it has support.
Okay.
Huh?
Shopping. I'm so excited. Okay, I love shopping.
I hate
so,
it.
एक hate and एक love relationship.
Definitely, if you're going gas, you have to do jeans. Great.
Okay, what
Men's
is-
jeans on a girl is very sexy.
Really?
Yeah.
Garima, you would try that?
But they won't show the.
No, but that's the point. You wear them really low,
हाँ.
fold them like how they're folded over there.
हाँ.
Fold them like that from the bottom.
Acha.
Wear a ganji and a jacket. It's very sexy.
And heels.
And high heels. Heels are very important.
हाँ.
Wanna try?
Okay.
मैं
I was
shop करूँ,
thinking.
Predictable बनना तो
देखो,
तो
हाँ,
किसी और
I
की
agree.
shopping
That's a very good way of talking. I mean, predictable नहीं करेंगे हम लोग आज कुछ PC करेंगे.
My style.
My style, PC style. Sorry.
So
What waist?
ये कैमरे में बोलना.
26, 28, 26. 26, 26, please.
Please take out 28.
26. What is your waist, PC? 24?
22.
Good job.
It's
No,
22
not right,
waist?
not right, I'm lying.
Okay, I'm gonna guess. It's a definite between 24 and 26.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so thin.
I am.
And for someone who eats like that.
Tried this, tried that, tried everything, coming right back, right.
Tell me if I'm right with those jeans, a really cool belt, and
Yeah, I was hoping you get me a denim jacket. I mean, a leather
like
jacket.
Awesome.
jacket
One
with
of the
that.
most
I think that's cool. So if you're in that, you know, we pull up your sleeves, we wear those, we tuck this in a little
tuck
bit,
in
wear a
my
really fun
sleeves.
belt.
Yeah.
So, wow.
Don't you wait for me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. Tried this job, tried this job, tried this job, tried this job.
But before I go, I want to see that lovely album of yours. Priyanka Chopra by Brian Adams.
Yeah, that's cool.
We ever think in life this will be one of the...
I never thought Brand Adam would shoot me. I mean,
Yeah.
I thought, yeah, maybe I could sing with him, but photographer, I have newfound respect for him now.
Shot by Brian Adams, people. Ooh.
I really like that picture.
You got to pick up like five pictures of yours and talk about it.
I like
Because
this
there's so many-
whole shoot, like, you know, you'll see that. Like, for me, this whole was very candid and real, which is what I love about it. Like, all the pictures, they only wanted me to smile. So,
Acha.
Brian is like, no, please, you have to just, please keep smiling. You know.
Because you have a lovely smile.
And I'm always happy to smile anyway.
This is a beautiful picture. And how often in life have you had a chance to go on a romantic date like this in life?
Actually, never. I don't go on dates. I've always just, I don't have the ability to go on dates. I've just been in relationships. You know, you don't get on to a date.
Acha, so you're not...
Dating का concept कहाँ है इंडिया में? At least मैंने तो कभी नहीं किया है.
So you don't believe in dating, you just believe in like the real thing.
Yeah, I don't like this whole dating business. Test करो किसी को. I don't like.
नहीं, but relationship में date पे जा सकते हो ना when you're dating
But of
somebody.
course, I've been.
So would this be that picture? I mean, if we have, obviously we can't see you on a date, but this is how PC would be on a date. Like a pretty black dress, small.
Probably. I'm like that only, coy, shy. I'm very shy.
So you can imagine this to be PC on a date. And what would be an ideal date for you?
Wow, an ideal date would be that if I forget my surroundings, that I'm so involved with the person that I'm with that it doesn't matter where he takes me.
Wow. And the final picture. Ooh. Totally hot, yeah. This is very hot one.
Thank you.
You didn't get conscious by shooting this? Or is it easy?
I mean, I'm an actor, I'm a model, and no, I was very comfortable with everybody around me. Everyone was very nice.
And because we're in the guest store, do you like to guess about life and about what do you want people to guess about you?
Nothing. If I want people to know, I tell.
Achha.
And if I'm not telling, they don't want you to know.
So you have to keep guessing.
You have to keep.
कितनी बार बोलते हैं keep guessing about my life? I think quite a
Hamesha.
lot. So on that thought, I'm going to go and get ready, and PC आपका event I think is about to start.
Yes.
So you're going to head to your event, and I'm going to catch you once your event is done.
Done.
Hmm?
Alright.
Thank
I'll
you.
See you soon. Good
Yeah.
change. मेरी इज्जत संभाल लेना.
हाँ, I know. I will.
Bye.
चलो, see you.
See, I always start my looks with shoes.
हाँ,
Shoes
okay.
के अनुसार मैं कपड़े पहनती हूँ.
Okay.
So उल्टा शुरू होता है मेरा.
ठीक है.
Definitely, if you're going guess, you have to do jeans. Great.
Okay, what
Men's
is-
jeans on a girl is very sexy.
Really?
Yeah.
Garba, you would try that?
But they won't show the.
No, but that's the point. You wear them really low,
हाँ.
fold them like how they're folded over there,
हाँ
fold them like that from the bottom,
अच्छा।
wear a ganji and a jacket. It's very sexy.
तो प्रियंका बहुत बिजी है अपने इवेंट पे, लेकिन मैंने पकड़ लिया है शिवानी को, जो भी बहुत बिजी है, जो यहाँ गेस्ट की मार्केटिंग हेड है. एंड हाउ डज इट फील टू हैव प्रियंका चोपड़ा एज द ग्लोबल गेस्ट एम्बेसडर?
Guest just loves Priyanka Chopra, and Priyanka Chopra is sexy, flirtatious, confident, and I think she's absolutely, it just fits the whole thing for Guest. I think Guest के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात है कि हमने प्रियंका को साइन करा है.
आई बिलीव ब्रायन एडम्स जो सिंगर हैं, उन्होंने ये शूट किया उनके लिए द गेस्ट का जो वीडियो था.
वीडियो उन्होंने शूट करा है, और पूरी कैंपेन इमेजेस, जो एड कैंपेन इमेजेस होती है, वो उन्होंने शूट करे हैं एक्सक्लूसिवली.
Thanks to Shivani, she's given us exclusive access into that guest ka video shot by Brian Adams, and let's go and see the various moods of Priyanka while Priyanka is
Tattoo on my hand, and it says PEACE. The reason it's peace because she signifies peace in my life.
not bad. And आपने क्या किया प्रियंका के लिए?
मैं जब उनसे पहली बार मिली थी, मैंने उनको उनके और उनके डैडी का फोटो कलेक्शन गिफ्ट किया था.
PC, how was the event? All went well.
Went really well.
It was, you were amazing on the stage. And लेकिन जब आपका event चल रहा था, there were these people who have been desperately waiting for you, बहुत दूर से आए हैं, and they've come from Canada. So these are your big fans.
Hello.
प्रियंका जी कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ.
मैं अपनी वाइफ के साथ आया हूँ.
Hello,
आपको
hello,
देखने
ma'am.
में काफी अच्छा था.
Nice to
जितनी
meet
आप
you.
खूबसूरत है उतने खूबसूरत.
Thank you.
और आपके लिए एक शेर आज है.
हाँ जी.
खुदा ने जब आपको बनाया होगा, जरूर तो उसके दिल में जरूर आया होगा, पूछा होगा क्या चाहते हैं आप, तो उसने मुझे और मेरी वाइफ को आपके एक फैन के रूप में तोहफा बनाया होगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैं बहुत खुश हुई आपसे मिलके. मेरा लग
Yeah, sure.
आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
वैंकूवर से हमने
ओह,
आपको देखा,
वैंकूवर
2
से
बार
आए थे।
स्टेज पे देखा. एक बार शाहरुख खान साहब के साथ टेम्पटेशन में आपने गाया भी
ओह
था.
गॉड, कब?
बहुत पुरानी बात है, लेकिन
जी.
दिन ब दिन आप निखर भी जा रही हो. और दूसरी बार जब आप मे में आई थी टोफा में,
जी, काफा के लिए.
तो तब भी आपने परफॉर्म किया था और बहुत अच्छा था. और वैंकूवर आपसे बहुत प्रेम करता है.
जी, मुझे
और
बहुत प्यार दिखता है.
वही आप-
That time, everything coming right back. Won't you wait?
जब गेस्ट का आपका हुआ ना, तो मेरी बेटियां वहाँ पर बॉर्न हुई हैं, बड़ी हुई. और वाओ, पहली था ऐसा हुआ.
गुलजार जी,
ये ब्लॉन्ड की
आप-
तरह ब्राउन और ब्लैक हेयर की जो हमारी चाहती कलाकार है, वो गेस्ट
बंद
पर
करवाना
कर रहे हैं. तो हो जाए कुछ.
जी जरूर, प्लीज.
चलिए.
I love this song.
For me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, हंसते रहो, बसते रहो.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
You're very lucky. Very lucky you got to meet her. Huh? Very blessed.
Thank you. Thank you. Picture? Yes, of course. Let me just.
I'm करना
Oh,
इसको.
do you want to take a picture? Photo खींचो.
भैया सब लोग खींचना अच्छी. ये वैंकूवर के
शुरू चाहिए helper. And while we are decorating this Christmas tree, how often प्रियंका आप करती हैं Christmas decorations?
Well,
and-
हमारे घर में हर साल हमारा क्रिसमस ट्री आता है. If all of us are in town. इस बार none of us are in town. तो इस बार होगा नहीं. But it's a lot of fun to decorate a Christmas.
You've also seen in United States, you must have seen सबसे मतलब बेहतरीन type of Christmas जो वहाँ पे white Christmas होता है.
Right.
मतलब how I mean, do you actually put out stockings and ask?
I love stockings. Stockings बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं क्रिसमस पे. You know, and especially if you've been good, stockings लगाने चाहिए अपने नाम के, ताकि सांता को पता रहे ये तुम्हारे नाम का स्टॉकिंग है, उसके अंदर की.
So has Priyanka Chopra been good this year or bad this year?
I'm the jungly billy, so I think I'm a little bad.
So no gifts for you this year, I think.
No, Santa, for the last 1 month I was very good. Please give me some gifts.
Only last 1 month you were good. In 12 months, 1 month.
But 1 month में I was so good that पूरे 1 साल का compensation हो गया.
अच्छा. मतलब क्या किया आपने कि अब इतनी गुड बन गई? मतलब इन गुड इन व्हाट टर्म्स?
देखो मैं तुमसे कितने अच्छे से बात कर रही हूँ,
वो तो हमेशा करते हो।
मैं तुम्हारा क्रिसमस ट्री भी डेकोरेट कर रही हूँ, सो आई ट्राई एंड डू एवरीथिंग गुड। मैं सांता को ब्राइब करनी है।
You are a star.
Yay!
You put it right on top. And before we go, you have to sing with us your favorite Christmas carol.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, Priyanka. This is Garima Come with Priyanka Chopra, camera person Mahesh for you.